My name is Lazar, and I'm the owner of Amazon PPC agency Seller's Alley. We're Amazon dedicated PPC agency, really fast growing. We're based in Belgrade, Serbia, so we don't have a remote team. Everybody's working from the office. It's really fast growing. It started in April last year, and since then it grew to 15 team members at the moment. So it's kind of stressful, but it's really nice to do that kind of stuff. We're super focused on Amazon, and we're focused on all of the new stuff that are happening on Amazon. We don't use any kind of tools unless our clients want that, but most of the time we're focused on bulk operations, which is kind of interesting way how to optimize stuff on Amazon, because it's completely free and it's one of the most precise ways how to do it. Well, I've been doing PPC for almost 10 years now, and I worked for a company that is like similar to Best Buy here in the US, but it's like Serbian, way smaller version of it. And I was a marketing manager there, and I was doing radio and TV commercials as well for them. And at some point I decided to focus on PPC only. And to be honest, I didn't like wearing a tie every day. So I wanted to start my own business. So I started working remotely. Maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and since then, maybe for 4 years I worked remotely, and for the last 1 year I started my own company, and basically that's it. I'm the guy that really likes doing PPC, and I'm super passionate about that. Whenever somebody asks me about what do I like in life, I love my girlfriend, I love my dog, and I love doing PPC, and not always in that order. Oh, I'll be talking about that a lot today for you guys in Helium 10. I'm going to talk about 10 mistakes in PPC for beginners. And one of the biggest that people are doing is basically placing all 3 match types in the same ad group. The thing is, when you keep all 3 match types in the same ad group, you basically can trigger a whole bunch of different search terms in the same ad group, and you cannot negate them. So when you find something that you don't like from the search terms in a search query that triggered your ad, you want to negate it, and when you place it as a negative keyword in your ad group, if you have it as an exact form, you're basically blocking your exact form. So what you want to do, you want to keep 1 match type in each ad group separately. Well, a few years ago, Amazon was way simpler to work on, and PPC on Amazon was super easy to do. And today, Amazon is making it more and more complicated comparing to Google. It's becoming more Google-like things, so it's getting more complicated, but that's a good thing. Everybody's scared because of a whole bunch of new stuff that are happening on Amazon, but the thing is, if you know what you're doing, if you have the knowledge of doing PPC correctly, you're going to end up making way more money by investing less. What we usually do reverse ASIN research. Basically, we take a whole bunch of ASINs from our competitors, and we compare competitor ASINs with our ASIN, and with usage of Excel, we use COUNTIF's formula and do basically check for how many keywords you show up on the first page and compare that number with your competitors, and basically that way you realize what keywords you should focus on in the future. So Helium 10 is basically a really important part of our daily routine. When it comes to PPC and like how to overcome your competition, basically try to focus on what's working the best for you. When you hear that everybody's saying like this is the best tactic or this is the way how to do stuff, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is going to work for you, because different tactics are working for different people. So what you want to do is basically do A/B tests all the time. Well, I think I'm there at the moment, because we're growing really fast. I'm so happy about that. It's super stressful. Every day is like completely different from 9-to-5 work, and like you kind of get addicted to stress when you see that everything is working okay. Something is definitely wrong, so you need to double check it. So currently what's going on is just the beginning of what we're going to create, but it's currently the highlight of like the highest point of our work. Oh, wow. You really got me with that one. Well, I just wanted to meet you guys because I'm using, and my team is using your software all the time. So I really wanted to thank you for that, for helping us to build everything that we built, because you're, as I said, part of our daily routine. It's pretty simple. It's sellersalley.com, our website. You can find us on Facebook as well, or you can find us on LinkedIn. On both, we are sellersalley.com.